Rip that door.
What are you doing here?
Getting you out. Here, put this on. You'll need it.
You could get into a lot of trouble for doing this.
Not anymore. Things have changed. It's your father. He needs you.
My father? But he's gone, Anya. He's dead.
No, he's out there. He needs you.
Anya, wait! What the hell's going on? Anya! Wait!
The Locust had broken through to his house and he called in to see. Says he's sorry. He says...
Marcus, what in God's name are you doing here? You're going to get yourselves killed, both of you!
Come on, Dad! I've come to get you out of here!
I've got to save my research. Do you understand how important it is?
Dad, keep your head down! Okay, everybody find some cover! Spread out along the wall!
Come to the stairs! Look out! We've got more grubs!
Take them out! We gotta give them some time! It was always his work my father cared about. His research. He tried to save his work, and I tried to save him. I disobeyed orders to do it, and it cost us the battle. Sentence. So the war went on while I was rotting in prison. And I still couldn't save my father.
There it is! Raven inbound!
Marcus, we've got to go!
Come on, Don, but you can't save them all.
Now hear this. Marcus Phoenix and Hazard Watch to CIC immediately. Phoenix, Santiago, and Stratton, report to CIC immediately.
Yeah. I heard you the first time.
Hey, Phoenix. You looking for Santiago?
It's okay. I know where to find him.
Lambent stalks detected. Damage response team muster at hangar deck for all personnel.
Come on, Dom. Armor up.
I've got crops to take care of. If we don't grow it, we don't eat it, remember?
I think the radishes can cope without you for a while.
Okay, let's get this over with.
Deck 2, secure all hatches. C safety team, close up on Deck 2. Prepare for inbound Raven.
The Raven's coming back. Sam and Cole just took off for supplies.
Huh. Maybe Baird forgot his wallet.
Come on, Jace. Work to do. It's Stock City out there.
All right. Give me a second. Damn, nearly got it that time.
That candy's like 10 years old, man. You're gonna puke your guts up.
Yeah, well, that's a price I'm willing to pay.
Guys, CIC, now.
This is Captain Michelson to all ship's company. We've now entered lambent waters. Go to alert state 1 and secure for action.
At least the old man still takes the threat seriously. Folks seem to forget how we ended up like this.
Out of sight, out of mind.
Yeah, well, not me. Those damn things are still out there, and I'll be ready for them.
Roger that, Sovereign. KR-01 inbound, estimated landing in 5 minutes. Secure the deck.
You came between Dom and his radishes, Lieutenant. This better be good.
Good? Probably not. A shock? Yeah. Guess who's come back from the dead?
Do I get a prize if I'm right?
Chairman Prescott.
No shit.
You mean ex-Chairman Prescott?
That asshole! He ran out on us 18 months ago. What's he expecting now, red carpet?
I'm waiting to find out.
Warship
Hang on.
Sovereign. This is KR-01 requesting permission to land. 1 passenger, Chairman Prescott.
KR-01, this is Sovereign. You are clear to land. Deck team standing by.
Wonder where Prescott managed to find a helicopter. He sure as hell didn't leave with one.
He never called, he never sent flowers.
Oh, I can't wait to hear this shit.
I'll get the popcorn.
Damn, those stocks are gonna do some real damage one day.
Nash, get out of there! They're behind you, Nash!
Shit! Halt! The back! Shit, they got Nash!
Action stations! Action stations! Lambent attack, starboard bow. Unidentified variant.
Unidentified variant?
KR-01 to Sovereign. This report deck is secure.
Come on, people. Let's get up there.
What the hell is that? They blow up just the same.
Come on, get him off the ship. clear.
Sovereign to KR-01, you are clear to land. The forward lift is being raised for you. Stand by.
Copy that, Sovereign.
Bet he strolls back in here like nothing happened.
Better park that nice new Raven carefully.
Let's give the traditional stranded welcome. Strip the chopper for parts.